Bridges Connor here with Get Organized with Bridges & Company, and today we're going to talk about Expand-A-Shelf. This is one of my favorite organizing gadgets that I use with my clients and also in my house personally. I think the key here is that it's expandable, so whatever size space that you've got, you can utilize the entire space. So this expands, and this is the canned food organizer, and then this is the seasoning stair-step organizer. And like I said, they both expand. Versus a product like this that doesn't expand, and you can't really maximize the space, and you might have to jerry-rig and put another one in there, something like that. So I think expandable is the way to go. So let's go and take a look at mine. This is my stair-stepper. I've had this for years. I'm since an empty nester, so I don't have a lot of canned food at this point. But the way I have it organized is savory and then sweet. And then let's talk about how I organize my actual spices in my spice rack. I very loosely organize them alphabetically. Doesn't have to be strict, just very loosely alphabetize them. That way when I go to grab a seasoning, I kind of know where it is on my spice rack. So I hope the tips were great. Again, this is one of my favorite products, Expand-A-Shelf, and Amazon is my friend. Thank you.